Each Friday, Hindu organizations have been protesting against namaz in Gurgaon, sometimes raising religious slogans and sometimes pouring even cow dung cakes at the place of prayer. But clearly not everyone feels the way they do. Some Hindus and Sikhs are now offering their homes, their gurdwaras, in order so that their Muslim brothers can offer namaz. Our colleague Saurabh Shukla brings us this special report.
Gurugram Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee Chief Sherdil Sidhu showing Mufti Salim the Gurudwara of Gurugram Sadar Bazar. This Friday, the Gurudwara will witness Gurbani and Azan. Sidhu says this Friday, if Hindu organizations oppose the offering of namaz in the open, then Muslims can come and read the namaz in the Gurudwara.
देखो, हमने तो देश का माहौल बचा के रखना, भाईचारा बचा के रखना। एक समुदाय जो मुस्लिम भाई है, इनको आप कहीं भी जगह नहीं देंगे नमाज पढ़ने की। किसी ना किसी को तो आगे आना होगा अगर देश को बचाना है तो, और इसमें कोई हर्ज भी नहीं है। देखो, गुरु घर जितने भी, चाहे मंदिर हो, मस्जिद हो, गुरुद्वारा हो, हर एक धर्म जाति के लिए होते हैं। गुरु घर में कोई मुसलमान भाई नमाज पढ़ने आता है, दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम।
This 100-yard shop belongs to Akshay Yadav, who lives in Sector 12 of Gurugram. Mr. Yadav has given this shop to the Muslim community to offer Friday prayers. He says he will not allow anyone else to disturb the religious fabric in Gurugram. He also says that Muslims can come and offer prayers in the courtyard of his house if they want.
मैंने उनको पूछा कि भैया आपको कितने लोग होते हैं आप लोग? बोला हम 10, 12, 15 लोग होते हैं। तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आप लोगों को नमाज पढ़नी है तो मेरा घर है, आप मेरे घर पे आके, मेरी एक प्रेमिसेस है खाली पड़ी हुई, एक मेरी जगह, मैंने कहा आप लोग यहाँ आके पढ़ लो, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि आप लोग भगवान का ही तो नाम ले रहे हैं।
Mufti Salim, who has been searching for a place for Friday prayers for the past several weeks, says he's now satisfied. He says this time he's not worried about Friday prayers because all Hindus and Sikhs are ready to give him a place.
गुरुद्वारे का जो द्वार है वो सबके लिए खुला हुआ है और कोई भी आकर के अगर तुम्हें इबादत करने में दिक्कत है तो आके इबादत कर सकते हैं। ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, जब इंसान का अखलाक और उसके सोच ऐसी होगी तो कोई मसला नहीं होगा।
For the past several Fridays just before prayers, some Hindu organizations either start offering prayers or raise religious slogans. 2 years ago, the Gurugram administration had set up 37 places for Hindu and Muslim organizations to sit and offer prayers. This was later reduced to 20 under pressure from Hindu organizations.
On Friday, you will see Muslims offering namaz in this Gurudwara in Gurgaon, as the people in Gurudwara, they are open to it, and several other Hindus are also coming forward and giving a strong message to administration that administration has totally failed. Now they are out and they are supporting the cause and they are trying to save the constitution and unity of the country. In Gurgaon, with Sudhish Kumar Ram, Saurabh Shukla for NDTV.